Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all are doing well. So this would be our final and last video for this semester, and I'm now going to finish these exercises to show you the last of these exercises. And as I said, I have not yet decided how many of these questions will be on the final exam. Maybe a few, maybe many. I don't know yet. So I recommend that you practice these questions. After this video I will send you the pictures of these exercises as well, so that if you want you can print them out and practice more on them. That's up to you. Okay? Because I know it could be difficult to print out the video, so I've taken pictures and I will upload them together with this video. Alright, so yesterday's video we covered this page, all of it. So continue on next page. Okay, so here we are, exercise question number 17, and it's a word problem, so it will give you 2 points. Fill in the numbers and do the calculation. So Sofia has 7 fewer or less dolls than Jill. Jill has 15 dolls. How many dolls does Sofia have? So you start with filling in the number sentence. So what numbers do you fill in here? You have 2 numbers from the given information, 7 and 15. Which do you put in first? 15, yes. So you start with putting in 15 and then minus 7, because you want to find out how many dolls Sofia has, and she has 7 dolls fewer than Jill. And then you fill in vertical format. So Jill, Sofia, Sofia. Okay, so Jill has 15 dolls. Sofia has 7 dolls less. So 15 minus 7 is, what is that? 7, sorry, so 15 minus 7 is, let's start with deducting from the tens. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So the answer is 8. So 8. So Sofia has 8 dolls. And 8, we have A8, B10, C7, D9. The answer is 8. So A. You write A up here. Alright. Then we go down to question number 18. Fill in the boxes with either A, B, C or D. A, second, B, third, C, fourth, D, fifth. So 18, the books are from the left. So where are the books? There are the books. So let's start to count from the left. 1, 2. So they are second from the left. So A second, B third, C fourth, D fifth. A second. So you write A. Okay. 19. The sharpener is from the right. So you start to count from right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sharpener is fourth from the right. A second, B third, C fourth. Fourth, C. Answer C. So you answer A and C, 18 and 19. And do that on the answer sheet as well. Remember? So you will have an answer sheet. So you answer 18, 19, 18, 19, A, 18, and C, 19. Alright? Good. Now, number 20 down here. Name the shapes. Name the shapes. So what shape is this? A, rectangle. B, cylinder. C, cone. D, cuboid. What is this? It's D. It's a cuboid. Good. D, cuboid. What kind of shape is this? A cone, B, a cylinder, C, cuboid, or D, rectangle? Ah, it is a rectangle, so it is a D as well. Okay, now we will turn to the next page. This is the last page. So, number 22. What shape is this? A, cylinder, B, cuboid, C, rectangle, D, cone. What is it? Anyone? Yes, it's A. It's a cylinder. A. So answer A. Okay. Then 23. What is this? Is it A, cuboid, B, cone, C, cylinder, or D, rectangle? What is it? Ah, right. It's a cone. So B, cone. Okay. Then 24. Add together and show me how. So here you need to write and show me. You cannot just write A, B, C, D. You need to show me as well. 13 plus 6. So you write 13 plus 6. Okay, so then we do the calculation here. 6 plus 3, start with ones. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And then 1 plus 0, 1. So 19, do we have 19 here? A 17, B 18, C 19. Ah, C. So it will be C. Okay. Now 25. 5 plus 7. So let's put it in the vertical format. 5 plus 7. So we only have ones here. So let's say 5 plus 7. What is that? Let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, sorry, not 6, 7. I started to count from 5. No, let's start count from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Right. 12. Okay. So 12, do we have that in the box? A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13. Ah, it's a C as in this one as well. So 24 and 25, both answers C. Now for the last two assignments, the last two questions. Subtract and show me how. Do you have to borrow? 17 minus 8. Let's put it in a vertical format. 17 minus 8. So let's start by subtracting the ones. 8 minus 7. You can do that or no? No, cannot. So you need to borrow. You need to borrow 10. 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Good, 9. And then here 1, and you have already borrowed 1, so you have 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. You don't need to write 0. Or you can write 0. It does not matter. So the answer is 9, A 7, B 9, C 10, D 8. Ah, B 9. So the answer is B. And don't forget to write on your answer sheet as well. Okay? And the last one, oh, I forgot to say, this one gives you 3 points. Up here, this gives you 1 point each, 1 and 1. But these ones, they give you 1.5, 1.5. So here we have 13 minus 7. So let's write it in vertical format. 13 minus 7. Let's subtract the ones. 7 minus 3. Oh, cannot. So you have to borrow. Borrow 10. So let's start with 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 3. 6. So 6, and then 1, you have already borrowed 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 6. A3, B4, C5, D6. So the answer is D. Okay, like that. Do you understand? Alright, good job. So that is all for this video clip. I have now shown you all the exercises that I wanted to show you, and please practice these exercises because some of them probably will be on the test, but if they are not, then the exercises on the test, they will be very similar. You will use the same concept in solving them. Okay? Good. So take care, and I will see you hopefully next semester. Okay, take care. Bye bye.